An act taken lightly by some, now officially compulsory.
A person who does not wear a mask could be arrested and prosecuted. On conviction, they will be liable to a fine or to imprisonment for a period not exceeding 6 months.
This after slack adherence in many parts of the country, due to the alarming spike in COVID-19 cases, now cast in stone. But law enforcement's response to transgressors is under public scrutiny.
Your mask, please. Your mask.
In one video, a woman is seen contravening regulations that prohibit the use of public beaches. When asked to wear her mask, she uses her towel as a substitute. It is not clear whether the woman was arrested or fined. During his visit to Wamashu taxi rank, Police Minister Bekile questions a member of the public about his mask. The man claims that he forgot it at home. As police escort him away, the minister tells officials that he will be released tomorrow.
The important part of the regulation that we must remember is that an enforcement officer must call upon a person to put on a mask immediately. If they fail to do so, so in other words, if they deliberately ignore that instruction and they deliberately do not put on a face mask, then they can be arrested and they could face imprisonment or a fine.
Roos says both members of the public and law enforcement officials have to understand the regulation clearly.
The enforcement officers, in other words, the South African Police Services, must also understand it. And that is the duty of the Police Minister, Bekile, to ensure that the police knows exactly what constitutes an offence, under what circumstances a person can be arrested, and under what circumstances a person must merely be warned and released. So the two instances that you've mentioned are examples of this in the utmost. I think the most important thing is that we need uniformity from the South African Police Services. We need everyone to be treated equally. We need everyone to face the same consequences if they do not adhere to these rules. And that is the duty of the Police Minister, Mr. Bekile.
Those who violate the regulations face a fine or 6 months imprisonment or both. Transgressors will obtain a criminal record if found guilty by the courts. Nosipho Mncube, SABC News, Johannesburg.